During my 6-lesson beginner series, you will learn how to reduce your pain, feel more supple, improve your posture, and help to balance stress and anxiety. I will guide you step by step through the somatics techniques and the simple natural movements. This series is designed to be used progressively and is yours to keep and come back to. The movements that I guide you through build on from each other, which means you can take this at your own pace until you feel ready to progress to the next movement or lesson. You will learn how engaging your brain can relieve your pain. You'll also come to understand how primitive reflex responses contract your muscles into full body patterns, and this gives you a greater understanding of why the root of your pain may not be where you think it is. Is this course for you? The unique somatic techniques are particularly beneficial if you have chronic pain such as back, hip or knee pain. Think of this course as you becoming your own chiropractor. If you've been advised to improve your posture because it's adding strain to your neck and shoulders, then learning these movements will give you the tools to restore your posture and melt away the tension that builds up during the day. And because the movements are based on natural patterns, you won't be moving into any extreme shapes or postures. You will be moving in ways that are organic, instinctive, and that are familiar to your nervous system. This is reassuring to know if you are cautious about moving your body, especially after an accident, surgery, or illness, and particularly when you've tried everything else and you still have pain and discomfort, or you still feel out of balance or not quite right. And maybe you feel nervous or anxious because other things you've tried have made you feel worse. Somatics gives you hope and confidence. Somatic movements are the foundations of all movements. So when you are in pain, tension, or have restricted mobility, going back to these cornerstone foundations is essential. This is helpful to know, especially if you have started to notice that everyday movements like getting out of bed or dressed are not as graceful or as easy as they once were. Students and clients come to me because they've tried to help themselves but found that even a gentle yoga or Pilates class felt too much for them. Does this sound familiar? As you master these movements and this practice, you might find that yoga and Pilates classes feel more comfortable, or you may decide, like me, that somatics gives you the agility, ease and relaxation you've always searched for. Because of the techniques and mindful pace, and as somatics communicates directly with your nervous system, you will find you feel more balanced in energy, mood and sleep. Unlike anything you've tried before, this process will undo the habits and muscular holding that have become habituated within your brain and body. This is movement re-education.